My name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to give you a very quick overview of the layout elements for a screen in VisionX. To do that, I'll create a new screen, name it Layout, and choose the empty universal layout. First, I'm going to begin with a panel from the left side. I drag and drop it into my screen. I can put it in the north, center, west, east, and south. That's because at the top level I have a border layout, which we have discussed in another video. For my example, I will just drop my panel in the north. This is a great spot for a header or something of that nature. Next, I can drag and drop a label into the header area. All elements put in after the top layer are in form layout. In the form layout, I can position elements as I wish. And that's a quick layout overview. Thank you so much for watching.